15 Minutes program is 2 days away. It has been months in the planning, yet will unfold rapidly and soon be but a memory. When you think about it, that's similar to what we are examining over these 2 days. Life itself can take a good deal of time to plan and make ready for. Most of Saga students are methodically preparing themselves for life after high school. However, what could transpire in a blink of an eye and without warning could take away all the hopes and dreams of an individual. Throughout the day Thursday, students will be taken away from classrooms every 15 minutes. This represents the death toll attributed to alcohol-related incidents nationwide. We know that this program has the capability of causing emotional distress. Thursday and Friday, we will have counselors ready to assist those who may have trouble dealing with the emotional nature of every 15 minutes. The assembly on Friday will be an emotional day. Do not offend fellow classmates or their family members with disrespectful behavior. This is an assembly to be taken seriously and not a rally. Students are expected to be attentive and courteous. Students who prefer not to attend the crash site or assembly may report to the library. Finally, when students who have been taken by the Grim Reaper reappear during the day, they will take on an almost ghost-like appearance. They have become the living dead. They will not interact with teachers or students for the remainder of the day. They will simply reflect a death-like quality. Please do not try to distract them from their significant role in this program. Instead, reflect on what it might be like if that person really was gone forever and remained only as a memory. Again, during the assembly on Friday, do not offend fellow classmates, their family members, or our guests by exhibiting disrespectful behavior. This is an assembly, not a rally. Demonstrate your best behavior by being attentive and courteous.
August. I'm Sami Stadtlander, and today is Tuesday, November 5th.
And I'm Merrick, and this is SNN.
For today's fact of the day, we thought we'd let you know why we say that a person who is surprised is taken aback.
When the sails of a square-rigged sailing ship are suddenly carried by the wind back against the mast, as sometimes happens in a strong gale, the ship was said to be taken aback and stopped dead.
So, too, a person halted abruptly by some new development is taken aback.
I was also taken aback when I had to say this line on live broadcast. Please stand for the flag salute.
Please stand. Put your right hand over your heart. Ready? Begin. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Tomorrow, during Student Help, Ms. Kegley will be hosting a science workshop guiding students on how to construct and interpret graphs. The session will only run from 7:45 to 8:15 in X2404, leaving time for students to attend other Student Help sessions.
Science mentors will be available tomorrow for Student Help Wednesday in X2412 and X2404 to help with organization and review of previous and current biology or chemistry concepts. Sadie's tickets are now on sale in the ASB office for $25 with an ASB card and $30 without. The dance is included in the dance pack. The counselors and Mrs. Dahlquist are hosting Career Planning Night on Tuesday, November 19th at 7 p.m. in the NPR. The Common Sense Mentors and a guest club will be hosting Thriving at Saugus tomorrow at lunch. They will discuss the importance of sleep, prioritizing school and home life, eating well, meditation, and exercise. See your counselor if you are interested in taking a COC class here on campus next semester. Theater will be performing their fall play, Shakespeare in Love, November 13th through the 15th at 7 p.m. in the Performing Arts Center. Pre-sale tickets can be purchased in the ASB office for $8 for students and $10 for adults. Tickets will also be on sale at the door for $10 and $12 respectively. Now let's go to Marisa Lamas with your sports news.
morning, Saugus. I'm Marisa Lamas with your sports news. Boys lacrosse will be holding tryouts for new players on November 12th through the 14th at Central Park from 3 to 4 p.m. No experience is necessary. Stop by the athletic director's office for more information. Baseball tryouts will be held November 12th through the 15th. Interested athletes should report to the baseball field immediately after school and bring proper equipment for their tryout. For more information, contact Coach Grissom or stop by the athletic director's office. There will be a mandatory student meeting for track and field in the S lecture room at lunch this Thursday. Tryouts for new members will be held out on the track November 18th through the 20th at 3:10 p.m. Contact Coach Russell if you have any questions. That's all for me. Now let's go to Owen Gatlin with some meatball madness in the kitchen.
Good morning, Saugus, or should I say ciao, Saugus, because today on this edition of Cooking with Protein, I'm going to be making some spicy Italian meatballs. And this is my grandfather, James Giordano, but you can call him Jimmy.
Hello? By the way, meatballs, Italian meatballs, they're not spicy.
They're a little bit spicy.
No, they're not spicy. Nah, it's like Thai meatballs might be spicy. Do they make Thai meatballs?
Now let me tell you what you're gonna need to make some Italian meatballs. You're gonna need some ground beef, some ground pork, some Parmesan or Romano cheese, stale bread, Italian parsley, eggs, milk, olive oil, salt and pepper, and 2 bowls. And the first thing that you're gonna put into this big bowl is the meat. Next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna add some eggs into the bowl with the meat. Next, we're gonna soak the bread. While your bread is soaking, you're gonna wanna add your Italian parsley, some pepper, and a little bit of cheese. But as my grandfather says,
Don't get cheap with the cheese.
now what you're going to want to do is you want to take some of the bread that's been soaking in the milk and break it up into smaller little clumps into the meat mix. Now the fun part, mixing. Now it's time to make our balls. You're going to want it to be about the size of a golf ball. That's about the size of a good meatball. Now pour some olive oil into your pan, preheat it, and add your meatballs to fry. Alright, Papa, are you ready to eat some of our spicy meatballs? Or as the Italians say, mangia?
Well, I am. I don't think they're spicy, and I hope they're not, but
Dig in.
let's see what we got here.
That's one spicy meatball.
There will be college representatives here in the MPR from Pacific University and Seton Hall University during 6th and 7th periods today. It is set up like a mini college fair, so students can talk with the representatives of the schools they are interested in. Go to the counseling office to sign up to attend one of the periods and pick up a permission slip.
UCLA will be presenting on November 15th in Q1715 during 2nd period. Only senior students interested in attending can obtain a permission slip from Mrs. Hillstein in Q1715 at lunch. Spots are limited.
That's all for today. I'm Sami Stadtlander. Stay tuned for SNN Radio and Saugus Today.
And I'm Lily Merrick. Don't forget that tomorrow is a student help day for English, science, basic education, fine arts, and PE. Have a great day, and we will see you on Thursday.